Okay, well, first of all, thank you very much, LeMO, and to Marisha and Remy, been great to work with. Very happy to be part of this project. So Kepler51, we're focused on road to zero, focus on reducing the social and financial cost of road accidents. Now, Kepler51, I get the next slide, is we're a public benefit corporation. So we've set up Kepler51 as a public benefit corporation to help reduce the cost of road accidents. Now, as a big data geospatial analytics company, we're focused on meteorological data. So what we're doing as a meteorological technology company is building the algorithms and building the models needed to go back, take a look at historical data, understand the relationships between different data sets, and be able to provide predictive modeling of the data. So that could be predicting increased risks to safety or increased delay risks, etc. So important to our solution is relationships with the public sector as well. A lot of accident data. Any accident data that's collected by insurance companies, obviously they keep very close to their chest, but public accident data, it's very important to us to be able to have access to that data. So being a public benefit corporation, that has helped us foster cooperation between different stakeholders, because there is a public benefit to providing us access to this data, anonymous of course. And then what we do with this data, so let's go to the next slide just to do a couple of use cases here. So for safety, where we are with safety now, we've been through all the engineering, padded dashboards, we had the electronics there, where we have the airbags, etc. Now we've got all of these sensors and we've got all this data coming off vehicles. So the next step in road safety really is in how we can use this data, like going back, taking a look at past data, and also what's the real-time data coming off the vehicles now? What have we learned from the past and what can we predict moving forward? So let's go to the next slide. So, and we can just take this slide through to the end. Sorry, there's animations in there. So Kepler has the platform set up now that we're able to provide a lot of different data sets and bring data sets together within a single geospatial environment. So this will include things like the road network data, curvature of the roads, any other data associated with the road network itself, and then bringing in public data, maybe historical accident data, and then we'll also tie this into weather data as well. So it will be weather data that's sourced from either customer IoT, it may be through another content provider with the customer, or we can provide a lot of the weather data and do a lot of high resolution modeling. So providing an environment where we can bring all of this data into a single environment and understand the relationships between that data. From there, we can apply machine learning, so weather regression analysis, predictive modeling, predicting that at this time of day with an angle at a certain angle, it's been raining for 4 hours, we've seen windshield wipers operating for 2 hours, etc. By bringing all of this data together, we can predict increased risk. Likewise, looking at past late loads, we can, the predictor would then be delays in traffic. So bringing this into a single environment, providing the predictive modeling to be able to apply this to the real world, into, say, adaptive cruise control, for example. So directly into advanced driver assistance systems, so that the vehicle now understands what is the risk associated with this corner ahead, like based on looking at historical data and then real-time analytics against data coming off of vehicles. So that's a very quick use case, but we're down in the trenches using the big data, and we do rely on public data as well, which is important to us, and sourcing private data sets and generating data. Thank you.